finding our core muscles. So we start in the rest position so everything is nicely aligned and our pelvis is in neutral. We let our fingers just rest over the pelvic bone so we're below the belly button, and I want you to think of this area as a nice corset. And the lower part of the corset is where we're wanting to think about activating. So allow your fingers to come in an inch and down an inch, and just let the fingertips rest there comfortably. And you're just going to ask that corset just to tone slightly. So tummy is just going to move away from your waistband towards your spine. Just a little bit of toning and firming, about 30% of what you could really do. And so we're just going to ask that area just to flatten and hold while we breathe in and breathe out. Keep it working, breathing in and breathing out. And let go. We're now going to talk about another way of activating your core, how to center yourself. They mean the same thing. And if we think about the pelvic floor as the muscles that are just at the top of the thigh, just below your pelvis, and they go from the front of your pelvis to the back of your pelvis. And whenever we think about just lifting those muscles up, so it's that feeling of mimicking holding on when you're desperate to pass water or go to the toilet, and there's no toilet, and you just think, hold on, hold on. And so again, just having your fingertips just resting on the inside of the pelvic bones, just in an inch and down an inch. And as you lift up through the pelvic floor or hold on, you can feel the muscles just firming a little bit here. And let go. And so lifting up again, feeling these muscles just firm and tone. And you're going to breathe in and breathe out and just keep those muscles working. So breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out, and then let go of the pelvic floor and the lower tummy muscles. So you find the one that works best for you, whether it's thinking about the corset just flattening or whether it's thinking about the pelvic floor muscles just lifting and toning slightly. But a good way of practicing this is just thinking about activating those muscles, holding them for a count of 3, and then letting them go, and then seeing if you can do that a couple of times. And also seeing if you can hold them while you're breathing, but only just a little bit.